Good morning, children. So we are going to see one question from self-evaluation. Okay, question number 15. Okay, so the question says some students planned for a picnic. Okay, the budget for the food was 480, means total cost for food it was coming 480. As 8 of them failed to join the party, the cost of the food for each member increased by rupees 10. Find how many students went for the picnic. Okay, so suppose X number of students had planned to go for the picnic. Okay, so X number of students had planned to go for the picnic. Okay, total budget is equal to rupees this much. Okay, so total budget was 480 and X students had decided to go for the picnic. Now so initial contribution per member, okay, was rupees 480 upon X. Suppose total cost is 100 rupees and 5 people are supposed to contribute. So one will contribute how much? 100 upon 5, that means only 20 rupees. Yes, so same way over here, total budget is 480 and X people were there, X students were there, so contribution per member was this much. Okay, 480 upon X. Now next, 8 students failed to go for the picnic. Okay, then number of remaining students, number of remaining students will be equal to how much? X minus 8. For example, suppose there were 15 students, they wanted to go for picnic. Out of that, 5 refused to go. That means how many are going now? 10, 15 minus 5, that means 10 are going. Yes, so same over here. Initially, like they had decided X of them were they had planned to go for picnic. Now after that, 8 of them refused. So X minus 8, yes, X minus 8 people are going now. Yes, so now contribution per member will be changed, yes or no? Will differ now, will increase. In fact, member will be 480 upon X minus 8. Yes, so according to question, how much it has increased per member? Rupees 10. Okay, that means this contribution is 10 more than this contribution. Okay, so according to question, it is 10. If you take the difference of the contribution, is coming 10. Okay, so this contribution is more than this one, that's why you should write this first, then minus. Okay, so here numerator same, so common, take it out, so you are left with now you get 480 and here X minus and down 480 x minus x plus 8 x square minus 8x is equal to 10. So x cancelled and you are left with 480, and this plus 8 will multiply over here. Okay, so you get this. Now cross multiply. So here you can see 10 is there in multiplication. This 10 will come and divide this. Okay, 480 into 8. So what will happen? 0 0 will get cancelled. So we are left with 48 into 8. This much. Okay. Now this can be written as x square minus 8x is equal to this much. So 48 into 8. 8 8 ja 64, 6 over here, 8 4 ja 32 and 6 38. Okay, so you get x square minus 8x minus 384 is equal to 0. Now here we have 1, here we have minus 384. So 1 into minus 384, you will get minus 384. Think of two numbers whose product is minus 384 and sum is minus 8. Okay, so 384 prime factorization so here 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 16. So 24 minus, or you can say 16 minus 24 will give you minus 8, and when you take the product you will get exactly minus 384. So we are getting x square minus 24x plus 16, okay, x 384 is equal to 0. So x common, you get x minus 24 plus 16, x minus 24 is equal to 0. X plus 16, x minus 24 is equal to 0. So x plus 16 is 0 and x minus 24 is 0. X equal to minus 16 and x is equal to 24. Now here x was the number of students, okay, who had planned to go for the picnic. Okay, so number of students cannot be negative, so this is the answer. Okay, so therefore the number of students who had planned to go for the picnic is equal to 64. Okay, sorry, equal to 24. Okay, but here the question was how many students went for the picnic. Okay, so this number is total number of students who had planned. Okay, but out of 24, 8 of them refused later on. Yes, so the number of students who went for the picnic equal to 24 minus 8, that means 16 of them, okay, went for the picnic. Okay, in book I think answer is given 24. That is not correct, because here the question they are asking how many of them went. Okay, so only 16 of them went, because 24 of them had planned, but out of that 8 of them refused. Okay, so this question is done.